Have you ever been sick? There are many situations in daily life when we have to ask people how they feel or express that we are not feeling well. Let's watch the video to learn more vocabulary on the being sick topic. Catch a cold. Emily, are you okay? Why are you coughing so much?
I feel sick. I must have caught a cold.
Why so suddenly?
I got caught in the rain when I was back from work today.
Why didn't you stay somewhere to avoid it?
I did, but it rained so suddenly that I was still a bit wet. Only until it stopped raining did I go home.
So rests and sleeps early today. Let me make you a glass of ginger juice.
Yeah, thanks, but I have to do some work first.
Health is above all. I think you should go to bed early.
I can't. I have a deadline tomorrow morning. I still have to finish it.
Okay, try to hurry up and get some rest. I'll bring you ginger tea later.
Thank you very much.
Emily? Emily? Are you okay? Emily, I will come in. Emily, how are you feeling?
Kathy, I have a terrible headache and I feel so cold.
You have a fever. Let me get you a cold towel and a pill. Here, Emily, try to get up and eat a little and then take the pill.
Kathy, could you help me call my colleague Dorothy and ask for sick leave for me? I'm so tired.
Okay, let me call. Is this the contact, Emily?
Yes.
Hi, Emily. Why haven't you come yet?
Hi, Dorothy. I'm Kathy, Emily's housemate. Yesterday, Emily caught a cold and had a high fever all night, so she wants to ask for a day off today.
Oh, okay. So just tell her to rest and get well soon. I'll help her to ask for a day off.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Not at all. Goodbye.
Done, Emily. Now rest yourself properly. What time did you get to sleep last night?
I finished my work at 3 a.m. yesterday.
Oh my God, that's why it got worse. You have to rest carefully today. Don't think about work anymore.
Yeah, I will. It is true that only when you are sick do you appreciate your health.
Have a broken leg. Joe, your friends came over to visit you.
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hey, everyone. Thanks for coming. Come in.
Joe, how are you feeling? We bought some fruits for you.
Thank all of you. I feel much better now. Before, it hurt like hell. We heard you broke your leg. What happened? Well, I was fixing the bulb in the garden when I fell off the ladder.
You must have climbed so high that you broke your leg. What happens after that?
Yeah, pretty high. At the time, Kate was in the house when she heard me fall, so she ran to check.
Then I saw him lying motionless on the ground. I panicked and called an ambulance right away.
Motionless? Did you faint, Joe?
Yeah, I fainted for a few minutes.
Was there something wrong with your head?
No, the doctor checked. It's okay. Just a minor injury. That sounds serious. Fortunately, my head was not damaged, but a broken leg is troublesome enough. Did the doctor tell you when you could have the plaster cast removed? He said 2 months later. Oh, it's kinda long though. How about a full recovery? It will probably take a few more months.
Fighting Joe, we're glad you are good now.
Thanks for visiting me today. Next time you climb, remember to be careful, Joe. Sure, I will. I learned a lesson, though. Well, take a rest, Joe. We'll leave now. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.